Hey there guys, Chet here. What is the biggest thing stopping most pressure washing businesses from making serious money? It's not their equipment and it's not their cleaning skills. It's the fact that they are disorganized. Lost leads, forgotten follow-ups, and slow invoicing can cost you thousands of dollars. Now the tool that fixes these profit leaks is a good CRM, but choosing the wrong CRM can really be just as bad. Today we're going to compare three of the most talked about platforms in the service industry: Mark8, Jobber, and the sales-focused platform QuoteIQ, to find out which one is truly the best choice for a modern pressure washing business. And by the way, if you decide to go with QuoteIQ, make sure to use the link in the description because we've partnered with them to give you something special: a free one-time white glove onboarding session plus full contact importing to help you get set up and running fast. Now this bonus is only available through our link, so don't miss it. Let's get back to the video. Now, before we compare, it's important to understand that a CRM is the brain of your business. It is the central place where you manage your customers, create your estimates, and send your invoices, and get paid. Every single lead matters when you are starting out, so having a system to keep everything organized is essential. Let's start with our comparison with a tool that many owners look at first, which is Mark8. The biggest appeal of Mark8 is its low starting price. For a cheap monthly fee, it gives you a basic digital toolbox to send estimates and invoices. Now, for someone moving away from pen and paper, this can feel like a good, affordable first step. But here's the problem with that approach that you need to be aware of. The low price is a very limited version of the software. As soon as your pressure washing business needs more power, like sending automatic follow-up emails or getting better reports on your job profitability, you have to pay extra for each feature as an add-on. That cheap plan quickly becomes very expensive, and you are still left with a tool that is missing the most powerful features for growth. You can easily get stuck paying more for less. Next up, let's talk about the biggest name in the industry, Jobber. There is no doubt that Jobber is a very solid, well-built, and professional platform. It has great features for every part of your business, including scheduling, quoting, and invoicing. It is supported by a large company, and it is trusted by thousands of businesses. Now, the major issue with Jobber for a pressure washing business is that significant cost. There is no free plan, only a short trial. To access the features that you really need to be competitive, you're looking at plans that cost more than $100 or even close to $200 a month. For a pressure washing business where you have real costs for fuel, chemicals, and equipment maintenance, adding a huge monthly software bill on top of that can really hurt your profit margin. It's a great tool, don't get me wrong, but you have to pay a very high price for it. This brings us to QuoteIQ. This platform has a much smarter approach because it was built by people who have actually run home service businesses. They understand that you need powerful tools, but you also need to be smart with your money. This is why QuoteIQ is different. It offers a free trial so that you can test out everything. More importantly, its paid plans offer incredible value, and their top plan often costs less than the mid-tier plans of the competition, but includes more powerful features that are designed to make you money. And that's the real reason to choose QuoteIQ. It has exclusive features that are a game changer for pressure washing businesses. Let's start with Map Measure Pro. This tool is incredible. You can pull up a customer's address on a satellite map and measure the exact square footage of their driveway, the linear feet of their fence, or even the surface area of their roof for a soft wash. You can create a perfect, profitable quote in under 5 minutes without even starting your truck. This feature alone will save you countless hours of driving and gallons of gas every single week. Now, imagine putting this powerful product on your website. With another feature called InstaQuote, a potential customer can visit your site at 10 o'clock at night, outline their own driveway on the map, and get an instant accurate price based on your settings. Then, the tool can offer them an upsell, like adding a house wash or gutter cleaning for a special price. Then they can book the job right then and there based on your calendar availability. It's like having the perfect salesperson working for you 24 hours a day. And after you have done an amazing job and made that property look brand new, the built-in review multiplier automatically asks your happy customer for a 5-star Google review right after they pay their invoice. Building up your positive reviews, we all know, is the #1 way to get more calls than your competition, and QuoteIQ automates this entire process for you. So, what's the final decision? Well, Mark8 is a trap that seems cheap but quickly becomes expensive and limited. Jobber is a great platform, but in my opinion, it's overpriced for what a growing pressure washing business really needs. QuoteIQ is the clear winner, and it's priced fairly, and it is packed with unique, powerful features like Map Measure Pro and InstaQuote that are designed to do one thing: help you quote faster, win bigger jobs, and make more money. So if you're serious about growing your pressure washing business, do not forget to use that link in the description to get that free white glove onboarding session with QuoteIQ. All right, that's it for this showdown. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.